Good morning, children. So, in the previous class, we learned representation of the rational numbers on the number line and to write the rational numbers between given two rational numbers. So, based on that, today we are going to solve exercise 1.2. First question, represent these numbers on the number line. First one, 7 by 4. 7 by 4. How you are going to represent it on the number line? We make 7 equal distances of 1/4 each. Why we are making a distance of 1/4 each is, you see, 7 multiplied by 1 by 4. 4 is the denominator. So 1/4. 7 equal parts from 0 towards the right side, starting from 0. So here it is 0, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4 by 4, that is 1. Then here 5 by 4, 6 by 4, 7 by 4. Write it down. 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. 4 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 4. 5 by 4, 6 by 4 and 7 by 4. So here comes our 7 by 4. So this is how you are going to mark the or represent the given rational number on the number line. So second mean is, so in the first question, second one is minus 5 by 6. Here I am going to give you the hint. Here it is a negative rational number. So you are moving from right to left and you will make a equal distance of 1 by 6 each. 1 by 6 each and till minus 5 by 6. Okay. Question number 2. Represent minus 2 by 11, minus 5 by 11 and minus 9 by 11 on the number line. So in question number 2, we are asked to represent minus 2 by 11, minus 5 by 11 and minus 9 by 11 on the number line. So it is a negative rational number, so it contains negative integers. So we will move towards the left of the 0. From right to left we will move. Here it is, we will make 9 equal parts of 1/11 of each distance 1 by 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here we said we are making a distance of 1 by 11 each. So it is minus 1 by 11, minus 2 by 11, minus 3 by 11, minus 4 by 11, minus 5 by 11, minus 6 by 11, minus 7 by 11, minus 8 by 11 and minus 9 by 11. So according to question, now we are going to mark the numbers, that is minus 2 by 11, which will come here, and minus 5 by 11 and minus 9 by 11. This is how you are going to represent the rational number on the number line in question number 2. Question number 3. Write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. Question number 3 we read that write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than 2. So can you guess the rational numbers which are smaller than 2? Just see a number line. It is a 0, minus 1, 1 and 2. So here when you see this, here always denominator will be 1. So these are all rational numbers. So we can write the rational numbers smaller than 2 as 1 by 1, 0 and minus 1. Further here we can write 1 by 2 also. Here 1 by 2 also we can write. So 3 rational numbers less than 2 are 1, 1 by 2, 1, 1 by 2, 0, and further you can write minus 1, and here minus 1 by 2 also will come. Minus 1 by 2. Sorry, question is 5. No? So 5 rational numbers less than 2. So you can write the 5 rational numbers less than 2 are 1, 1 by 2, 0, minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 1. If they ask more numbers less than 2, you can write minus 2, so on. Fine. Question number 5. Sorry, question number 4. Find 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2. So, how we are going to find two rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2? Here, it was easy. Here, denominators were equal. Here also, in denominator were equal. And here, it was a different. But how you will find 10 rational numbers between these two? So, one method is there. Yesterday that we have learned. We will make the denominators equal. How? By multiplying the denominator of first number with the second denominator and second denominator with the first denominator. It is minus 2 by 5 multiply with 2. It is minus 4 by 10. Here again it is 1 by 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. It is 5 by 10. Now you can write 10 rational numbers between minus 4 and minus 4 by 10 and 5 by 10. Just observe the number line. Fine. 0, 4, 1 by 10, minus 1 by 10, minus 2 by 10, minus 3 by 10, minus 4 by 10. Here 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10 and 5 by 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But they are asking for 10 rational numbers. So what we'll do is, here we are going to multiply numerator and denominator again with 2. It is 10 by 20 and it is minus 8 by 20. Now we'll get more number of rational numbers, and you see on the number line. So it is 0. Here it will be 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10, 5 by 10, so on till 10 by 10, that is 1. 10 by 20 also, here 10 by 20. Here when you move towards the negative side, it is minus 1 by, you make it as 20. 1 by 20, because we multiplied numerator and denominator with the 2 again. Minus 2 by 20, minus 3 by 20, minus 4 by 20. So till minus 8 by 20. Now from this you can collect the 10 rational numbers, or you can list the 10 rational numbers between these two. So 10 rational numbers between minus 2 by 5 and 1 by 2 are any 10 rational numbers you can collect. Here I am going to collect minus 4 by 20, minus 3 by 20, minus 2 by 20, minus 1 by 20, 0 by 20, 1 by 20, 2 by 20, 3 by 20, 4 by 20, 5 by 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is how you are going to collect the 10 rational numbers between given two rational numbers. So question number 5. Find 5 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 4 by 5. So same method is followed for this as we solved question number 4. Just see if you are able to get the numbers or multiply further denominator and numerator so that the value of these two denominator remains same, and so that you get the 5 rational numbers between these two numbers. So first, second, third question are same, which will be provided to you in the classwork. So next question, write 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. It is same as question number 3. Write 5 rational numbers which are smaller than, here it is greater than minus 2. Just see. So here 5 rational numbers greater than 2 are minus 3 by 2, minus 1 by 2, minus 1, 0 and 1 by 2. Anything. Just see the number line. If you draw a number line, you are going to get 0 will be in between. So here minus 1 and minus 2 and 1 here. So we should get the 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. Minus 2. So greater than minus 2. Here which number will come? Minus 3 by 2. So add these two numbers. Minus 3 minus 1 is minus 3 divided by 2 mean. Here it is mean of these two numbers is minus 3 by 2. Here it is minus 1 by 2. And here it is 1 by 2. Further you can write, if they ask more numbers, you can write 1 by 1 and 3 by 2, so on. So this is how you are going to write the 5 rational numbers greater than minus 2. Moving to last question of the exercise 1.2 as well as this lesson. Find 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4. So here also denominators are of different values. We will multiply 5 with the 4 and 3 with the 4. Same method as we solved fourth question. So it is 12 by 20. Here 5 and 5 with the multiply 5 with the numerator as well as denominator. 15 by 20. So can you find, can you get how many rational numbers? 13 by 20, 14 by 20 and 15 by 20. It is very less. So first let us multiply 12 by 20 and 15 by 20 with the 2. When you multiply, it is 12 4 is 48, 2. 24 divided by 40. Here 30 divided by 40. Again you are going to, when you multiply numerator and denominator, one time only I am writing, you are going to get 30 by 40, 15 by 24 by 40 and 30 by 40. So again it is smaller because only 6 numbers we are going to get in between. Here we got only 3 numbers. Here we got only 6 numbers. So when we multiply with 3, let us check. 12 by 20 multiplied by 3. 15 by 20 multiplied by 3. It is 12 3s are 36 by 60. 15 3s are 45 by 60. So now you can get more than 10, like just like 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. Like that 10 rational numbers you are going to get. 36 by 60. 10 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 3 by 4 are 36 by 60, 37 by 60, 38 by 60, 39 by 60. Like that, you will get 10 rational numbers. 40 by 16, 41 by 60, 42 by 60, 43 by 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Still it is less. So, anyway we have to multiply. So, it is the rational numbers they asked only 10. Here we are not getting 10. What we have to do? A logic is followed over here. When you multiply the denominators, you are going to get only 2 rational numbers when you multiply with the 2. And when you multiply with the 3, you are going to get 6. So here you got 8. To get 10 rational numbers, this we have to have the calculation that we should multiply this 12 by 20 and 15 by 20 with 7 or 8. Let us take a greater number itself. So 12 8s are 96, 20 8s are 160, 15 8s are 120, and here it is 160. Now you can write 96 to 120. How many rational numbers? So more than 16. So when it is 8, you are going to get more. So 10 rational numbers between these are 96 by 160, 97 by 160, 98 by 160, 99 by 160, 100 by 160. Here I will write 101 by 160, 102 by 160, 103 by 160, 104 by 160, 105 by 160. So how many numbers? They asked 10 rational numbers between given 2 rational numbers. When the rational numbers you multiply, if they are nearer, the numbers have the value or nearer value, you multiply with a greater number. Here we multiplied with the 2, only 2 to 3 rational numbers we got. So same way, if question is asked, just try and solve. So here completes lesson number 1, rational numbers. So let us learn lesson number 2 in next video. Thank you children.